Hello, it's Carolyn from the Purple Poncho. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to make standing crochet stitches. I'm going to begin with the standing single crochet stitch. I'm using a size J crochet hook, 6mm, and number 4 worsted weight yarn throughout this demonstration. So to begin, I place a slip knot on my hook, grabbing your fabric, insert your hook in the indicated stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and I like to pinch the base of my work here with my thumb and finger, and then yarn over and pull through 2. And that makes a standing single crochet. And then you would just continue on making your single crochet stitches as usual. So let me show you that one more time. So say you want to start right here. So go into your, whatever stitch it is, go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. And I'm holding this tail in between my pinky and my other finger to kind of keep it steady. Then I'm going to grab the tail with my thumb and my fingers in the back and pinch it, and then yarn over and pull through 2, and that makes a standing single crochet. You can put it anywhere in your fabric that your pattern calls for. Next I will demonstrate a standing half double crochet stitch. Make a slip knot, place it on your hook, keeping the tail in my hand, yarn over, and going into whatever stitch your pattern calls for, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And again, I'm holding the tail and my work, I'm kind of pinching it right here while I'm doing that, while I'm pulling through. Just kind of makes it a little more stable. And then just continue making your stitches as indicated in your pattern. I especially like these standing stitches when I'm making granny squares. Okay, next I will demonstrate the standing double crochet. Make a slip knot, yarn over, holding it with my finger, going in any stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and then I like to grab it up here next to my hook in my thumb and finger, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's a standing double crochet. And again, continue on with your double crochets across your row as indicated by your pattern. Next I will demonstrate the treble standing crochet. Make a slip knot, yarn over 2 times, again holding it with my finger, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and I'm holding it up here with my middle finger. I'm holding the tail down here in my hand. Okay, yarn over, pull through 2, and then I like to grab the base of it, yarn over, pull through 2, and then grabbing the right underneath my hook, yarn over, pull through 2. It just kind of helps stabilize to make your stitch. And then proceed with your normal treble crochet stitch after that, as your pattern indicates. Isn't that pretty? And that's how you make standing crochet stitches. You can even do taller stitches than these, but I just wanted to demonstrate through the treble crochet stitch so that you can get the idea. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on how to make the standing crochet stitches. Please like and subscribe to my channel, The Purple Poncho, and thank you for being here, and thank you for crocheting with me. Have a wonderful day.